What's going on, MotoZodia here? It's been a while. I still have my Kawasaki Ninja 400. It's This is basically an update to everything that's been done. So for everyone to know, I have the transparent clutch cover that's installed, and also I have on the 400 the LCD. We're gonna go ahead and turn that on. Once again, it starts right up. My last video, someone said the check engine light was on. It was on when I first installed this unit, but now it's off, and the only thing that is on is the ABS, because this is not an ABS model, as you can tell over here. Not an ABS model. Usually it'll stay around here if it's ABS. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start it, and we're going to check it out. Once again, the check engine light went off. So the only thing that happens is every time we start it, the time resets. I imagine that's because not enough power is going to the unit. I imagine, or maybe I put the wrong wire in. That could also be a thing. So the time will always reset. That's not the actual mileage. It's actually probably, get rid of that one. It's probably around 8,629 miles, not 18,000. But the bike runs great. The station works great. Oh, you know, let me show you this. And yeah, the bike runs phenomenally. Now, I'll be honest, I'm probably going to be upgrading soon, so I'm probably going to be trading in this bike. I'm not sure I'm going to sell it on the marketplace, or if I'm going to go ahead and just do a regular trade-in, but I'm probably going to upgrade. I do love this bike, but I want to get something a lot more faster, a lot more quicker, and that's probably going to be maybe like a Ducati or a BMW. Definitely looking to grab an S1000. I had this bike brand new when it came out, 2021, so I'm probably going to be trading it in, selling it. I just want to give you guys an update on what I'm doing with the bike, but so far it runs great. I'll probably have some more footage later on I'll put on this channel. I'll be riding it and whatnot, but just showing you how everything works on it. And yeah, the bike's amazing. I have TSTs in the front. I have the whole TSTs in the back. All that done. The TST backlight, I mean, it's all in sync. It works really well. Leo Vinci, I mean, this bike is it rides like a dream. I got an Amazon seat, and I upgraded from the regular seat. The regular seat's over there. It's a piece of crap. I got an Amazon seat. I have a battery tenderizer because in the wintertime, this thing sucks as far as battery. Like, I have it in the garage, so like it dies out quickly. So I have that just to maintain the battery throughout the wintertime. And yeah, it's a great bike. I like it a lot, and I think it's probably the best starter bike. I know a lot of people are going from Ninja 4s to Ninja 5s and asking what's the difference. Ninja 5 has a couple of little upgrades here and there, nothing too crazy that you're gonna notice. The main thing for me probably would have been this. Yeah, it would have been basically this. I did still put the, hold on a second, I can grab it. I still put the, oh, there it goes. I still have the, I'm not sure you can see it really well. There's a hole here that I had with tape that I originally did in my last video. You can check that out. It's still there. I didn't really find it. I was going to put a piece of plastic to cover it, but it doesn't really, you don't really notice it. But the bike runs great, and I enjoy it. And yeah, maybe I'll have it on this channel, me doing videos on my new bike when I eventually get one. And that's down the line. That's a couple of months from now probably, but I don't know. We'll see. Alright, guys, let me know what you think about that in comments down below. If you guys are looking to do this or this, I'll let you know right now, this is a bit of a pain, but it looks so much better. And this, just, I mean, I get compliments on both of them all the time, but yeah, have a good one, guys.